This 90-degree window for the wall. Instead of just like a separate window here and a separate window here, just one big window. Hello, 안녕하세요. Today we got a really cool townhome. It's a little bit noisy because there's some maintenance happening outside, so I'll explain more inside. Welcome to this townhome. Really cool area. All the homes are similar since it's in a townhouse neighborhood. Really neat. It's in a more quiet area next to the main road, but it's not very noisy. But really accessible. Again, we're in the center of town, so really easy to get to downtown Eugene. Really easy to get to the interstate. And then you can also go to the coast from here. It's only about an hour drive to go to the beach, so not too far. But when we walk in, nothing's furnished right now, empty. Great size. This can be a formal living room right here. And we have the dining room right under this light fixture as well. But really open floor plan for this home. Living room, dining room, and kitchen. Nothing separating it, so really gives more of the house a larger feel for the home. But pretty basic kitchen. Not too much room, so probably wouldn't want to have multiple people in the kitchen, just one person at a time. But it's got everything you need in here. Nothing too fancy and nothing too outdated. I like the ceilings. It's pretty high ceilings here, so and then really awesome backyard window fixture. If I can get this open, let's just pull this aside for now. But it leads to the front, and that's one of the main roads of Eugene, Oregon, but really cool area. You can have a barbecue there. There's a cement patio, so. But I like this right here. It lets a lot of light in, and you don't need too many windows. You just have that area. Let's go ahead and continue on. To our left is a full restroom, one of the two in the home. And then this could be a bedroom, or it could be an office space, another leisure room. One of the houses we saw that they converted one of these leisure rooms into a personal home theater, so it could be a home theater, which would be really cool. In this bedroom on the first floor, or office space or leisure room, there is a door leading to our little patio, our little backyard that we saw earlier. But you can see the cement groundwork and outside. Yeah, perfect little space for a little barbecue. Probably not to run around in, but all right, let's go take a look upstairs. And they're renovating. I'm assuming this carpet was either stained or something happened, but they pulled it up and they're gonna put more carpet down pretty soon here. Standard carpet. Nice little. You can put a little chair here. This is a little nice reading nook. Or you can do whatever you want with the space. Just a little cozy area right here. And our first bedroom, pretty standard bedroom. This is really cool actually. This 90-degree window for the wall. Instead of just like a separate window here and a separate window here, just one big window on this wall. I like that. Pretty standard bedroom, like I said. Two sliding doors and neatly decorated storage space there. This is where the laundry and dryer are located on the second story, tucked away here. So utilize the space of this home very well. And then the master bedroom. Really interesting layout for this master bedroom. Here is our double sink, and then our walk-in closet, which is really sizable for a townhome. And the master restroom. Nothing too spectacular, just updated and pretty neat. A nice cozy bedroom area for the master bedroom. Into a conclusion. Okay, good. Alright, thank you. 감사합니다. Please remember to like and subscribe to our videos. Also turn the notifications on so you get a notification every time we upload a new video. We got some cool homes coming up, and let's see who does a better job, me or Lydia, my wife. Thank you.